Contact confirmed. It's D-17.
Depth is 450 meters. We have a window.
Deploy the drones.
Pressure stable. Checking seams. Copy. Bag 2 secure. Proceeding to next.
See this crack? It's deeper.
Logging it. The sparks are intense.
Note the heat distortion.
Hooks on! Clear the area! Steady now! Up she goes! Watch the swing! Got it clear! Almost got it. Just this last connection. Copy. Voltages are stable. Good. Test the signal now.
This one's seized. Need the wrench? Got it. Loosening now.
Okay, pulling it out.
Careful. It's heavy.
Crew, board with pride for our nation.
Yes, Captain. The flag flies high.
For the nation.